Can you hear me, children? Am I audible? Give me a thumbs up. Shall we begin the session? Joanna, unmute. Ryan, unmute. Okay, tell me, children, what we have studied in the previous class. Who can tell me?
Map.
We studied about?
Map.
Okay. Now, can I ask some questions to you?
Yes.
Okay. A dash is the drawing of a place on a flat surface.
Map.
Okay. And in the last class, we were discussing about our cartoon friend Dora and
Yes,
how a map helping that cartoon friend Dora to find the correct location. After that, anybody watched that Dora cartoon?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, that map, the girl is always carrying a map in her backpack, and that map helping her to find the correct way, the correct location. She's always exploring new places. Right?
Yes.
And can I ask something, children? Can we draw the map of all the places in the world?
Yes.
Can we draw the map of a classroom?
Yeah. Of course.
Can we draw the map of a hospital?
Yes.
Our neighborhood?
Yes.
Okay. Then come close to the camera and give me a cute smile. Then only I can move to the new topic. Come close to the camera and give me a cute smile. Okay, today you all look so pretty.
You also so pretty today.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Come close to the camera. Can I have a touch to your tummy cheeks? Okay. So listen, children. Today, we know that we can make the map of any place.
Yes.
And today we can learn what are the different signs and the symbols. Okay. How to read a map. Okay. If we see the drawing of a place, how can we identify this is classroom and this is another thing? How can we identify? Oh, is it possible? Just imagine. Okay, ma'am is going to draw the map of our classroom. Is it possible for me to draw the picture of tables, chairs, and the teacher's table? No. That is very difficult. That is very difficult to show the big pictures in the map. Then what do we use? We use particular symbols. We use particular symbols for understanding. And sometimes we use different colors too. Sometimes we use different colors too to know the particular information. Now, are you ready? Can we draw the map of our classroom?
Yes.
Okay. Can I share the screen?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, we went wrong.
No need. You just listen to me. No need. You no need to draw. Just listen to Faisa ma'am first. Okay, what I am saying, if we are drawing the map of our classroom, it is impossible to draw. Oh, there are lots of chairs and the tables. Oh, there is a big blackboard is there. There is a window in our class, and there is a cupboard in our class. Is it possible to draw big pictures? No. So we use small symbols. Use small symbols.
Symbol.
Shall we study about the
Symbols.
symbols?
Yes. Yes.
And again, give me a cute smile. Ma'am is going to share the screen. Okay, let's watch. Let's watch.
Draw the picture of book.
Somebody started. Okay,
Yes.
here we are
Writing
going
your
to
book.
learn how to draw, how to know the map of our classroom. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Who is playing with your device? Stop doing.
Ma'am,
Evangeline, please mute your
I'm
device.
draw the
Evangeline, please mute your device. There's too much noise disturbance from your device. Okay, Ryan, Manu, what are you doing?
draw the picture.
No. Children, keep your
Book.
pencils there and sit straight.
Ma'am,
No, Archa, keep quiet and listen to ma'am. Sit straight. Everybody sit straight. Nivia, what are you doing, Nivia? Close your books. Ahil, close your books. Fold your hands.
and Lola.
Okay. So this is our lesson. And in the previous class, oh, Nakshatra, please stop it. Baby, you please stop it, Nakshatra, and listen to the board, children. So this is our lesson. And this point we have already discussed in the class, a map. A map is a drawing of a place.
Ma'am,
Yeah, I have muted everyone, ma'am. Only 2-3 children are there. I just unmuted. And sometimes from their device, too much noise disturbance. Okay. Okay. A map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface as seen from a position above. This point we explained. And it uses place names, signs, pictures, and colors to show information. So today we are going to study about the symbols. Okay. Now, can you see the board, children?
yes.
And I have told this is the how can we here if we want to draw the map of our classroom. Okay, is it possible to draw big tables, chairs, and blackboards? No. So for this purpose, we have to use some symbols. Okay,
Simple.
can you see the board properly?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
What is this, children? Yeah. Ma'am is going to circle the picture. What is this? Teacher's table.
Teacher's
The
table.
table. Okay. How can we mention this teacher's table in a map? What is the symbol? See this, children. This is the symbol. Okay. This is the symbol.
Simple.
Okay, this is the symbol to show the teacher's table. Now, can you see who is drawing? Who is playing?
Maria.
With Maria, please don't play with your device here. Too much disturbance. Why are you disturbing your Faiza, ma'am? That means you don't like me, right? No, you are not supposed to do that. Okay, now listen the next picture. The students' desk and chairs. The students' desk and the chairs. How can we represent, yes, so and so table and the chairs in a particular classroom? This is the symbol. This is the symbol.
Simple.
Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, is this possible? Big tables and chairs we can draw on a map? No. For this purpose, we are using different symbols. Okay. Now, see the next one. Dustbin. What is this?
Dustbin.
How can we show this? There is a dustbin in the class on a map. This is the symbol. This is the symbol. Giovanna, mute your device.
Ma'am, I not write the map. You said no. Ma'am? Ma'am?
Okay, this is the dustbin. How can we show dustbin on a map? This is the symbol. Have you all understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now listen, children. What is this? Tell me.
Blackboard.
Blackboard. How can we show a blackboard on a map? This is the symbol. Understood, all of you? Now, what is this, children? What is this? Cupboard. Okay, is it possible for us to draw the big cupboard in a map? On a map? No. So we use this particular symbol. We use this particular symbol. Now you can see what is this, children? Window. How can we show window? The symbol. Everybody understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Maps are of many kinds of maps. Do you know, children? There are many kinds of maps. You can learn in more detail about maps in your higher classes. Not now. Now you are too small. Okay, you need to understand only this much. Maps are of many kinds. Some maps also use different colors too. Maps use different colors also to show the different information. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this is the map of my house. Drawing of my house.
This is your house?
Yeah, my house. How can we read? This is okay. There are many things. How can we read? There are some symbols. See, look at the next key. What is this?
Door.
Door. Very good. Then what is this? Look at the key and say
Window.
window. Very good. Now, what is this? Look at the key and say
Sofa.
sofa. Then What is this?
Sing.
Kitchen. Oh yeah, sing. Have you all understood?
Yes. Yes.
How can we read a map? All of you understood?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All of you understood how can we read a map?
Yes.
Now, I am asking all my children to please open the textbook. Open the textbook. Page number 18. 18. 1, 8. Take page number 18.
18.
Page number 18.
Ma'am, take.
Page number 18. Have you got the page, my dear ones?
Yes. Yes.
Now my children understood for what purpose we are keeping symbols in a map.
Yes.
To know to show the things in the classroom. To show the things in the classroom. Okay, the signs used on a map, the different signs used on a map are called symbols. Shivada, can you read the textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivada, you start. Page number 18. No, do one thing. All my children, please show me page number 18 in front of the camera. Come close and show me. Just to fold it like this. Fold it like this. Fold your book like this. Show me page number 18. Okay, Shivada, you can start reading. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Others, please be quiet. Shivada, you
Okay,
start.
ma'am. A crow flies high over Meher's school. It can see the tops of buildings,
Yes.
the roads, and the playground. Look at what the crow can see.
Okay, listen. Can you see this is Meher's school? Our friend Meher's school. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then everybody touch the school, Meher's school. Can you touch and show me Meher's school? Yes. Okay. Now, Shivada, you can continue. No. What all things you can see in Meher's school? This is the map of Meher's school. What all things? Look at the map and say, everybody, read.
Playground.
Playground.
School.
Building. Small ground.
Ground.
Main road. Parking. Then. Then.
Main road. Playground.
Okay. Now, Shivata, continue.
When we draw a picture of this wave, it is a map.
When we draw a picture of this view, it is a map. It is a map. Underline, all of you. Underline. Take the pencil and underline.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Do you feel hungry?
No.
Okay, after Faisa ma'am's class, you can have lunch. Now everybody listen. Okay, take the pencil and underline. When we draw a picture of this view, it is a map. Underline.
I'm only map.
Yeah, that sentence you can underline.
Okay. That's full sentence.
Yeah. Shivada, continue. We can
make a map of any place in the world.
Okay, underline. Everybody underline. That is very important. We can make a map of any place in the world. In the world.
I'm underline.
Underline. All my children, please underline. Continue, Shivada. Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We can even draw the map of Meher's classroom.
Classroom.
Imagine that the classroom has no ceiling.
Ceiling. Imagine the classroom has no ceiling. Okay. Then continue.
This way, we can look down into the room and see the tops of different objects.
Mm.
Let us make some signs to show these things in the classroom.
In the classroom.
The signs used on a map are called symbols.
Underline, children. That point is very important, everybody. Please underline. The signs used on a map are called symbols. The signs used on a map are called symbols. Now, continue, Shiva. Now, Siddesh, read that point in the yellow box. Siddesh, you can read the points in the yellow box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can.
A map is a drawing of a place or a flat
As seen from a position.
Position above the place.
Okay. Underline, dear children. The points in the yellow box, very important. You can underline. You can underline. Okay. Siddesh, you continue. It uses
place name, scene, picture, and color to show important
information.
information.
To show information. Okay. Have you all understood?
Yeah.
Now, we can move symbols used for different objects. Can we read?
Yes.
Everybody, please keep your hand here.
Yes.
This one.
We can. Oh yes.
Okay. Now, in this table, where is teacher's table? Touch and show me teacher's table. Teacher's table. Table.
First one.
All of you, touch and show me teacher's table. How can we represent this teacher's table on a map? Touch and show me. Symbol, show me. Symbol, touch and show me. Now, where is students' desk and chairs? Touch and show me students' desk and chairs.
Ma'am.
Okay. How can we show the students' table and chairs on a map? Touch and show me the symbol.
Ma'am.
Now, show me dustbin in the class.
Yeah.
How can we represent the dustbin on a map?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now, where is the blackboard? Touch and show me the blackboard. How can we represent the blackboard on a map? Okay. Where is the cupboard? Cupboard, touch and show me. Okay. How can we represent the cupboard on a map? Okay. Where is the window? How can we represent a window on a map? Now all of you understood?
Yes.
Okay. This is the way we can use these symbols to make a map.
Map.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
who will read the lesson? Amaya. Dia, okay, you read. Take page number 19 and read, Dia.
When can use
We
those
can use
can use those symbols to make a map?
okay.
Look at the given map of a classroom.
Ah.
Using the
List of
list of symbols
symbols.
on the
Okay, next point you read. Maps are of many kinds. Read that point, Dia.
maps
Ah.
are many kinds.
Underline all of you. Maps are of many kinds. Underline.
Underline, ma'am.
Underline. Then, next sentence, Dia, read. They can be
Can be a map or a
plan.
of a house.
Okay. A
A
route map.
route map or
Then-
a map of a
Country.
The things,
The signs.
the signs or symbol
Symbols used in maps depend on the type of the map. Okay. Now, next point. Some maps are
Some maps also use different colors
to show
show different
different information.
information.
Underline that sentence, children. Okay, then close your book, everybody. Close your book.
No.
Keep it on the table.
Yes. Close.
Okay. Now, you know, children, today we studied about how can we use different symbols. Okay, on a map. Okay, we just discussed about the map of our classroom. I hope everybody understood.
Yes.
It is easy lesson, no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, let us wind up the session.
Yes. No.
No, why? Time is over. I have to go for my lunch. I think you also be very hungry, right?
Yes. Yes.
So let us wind up the session and come close to the camera and give a cute smile. I love you all. How many of you like your Faiza ma'am? Raise your hands. How many of you like EVS too? Okay. Now, don't forget to read the lesson. Let me take the attendance, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Please wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, here let me take a pic of your class. Please wait. After that, we can wind up.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am?
Okay, I took the attendance. So let's bye-bye. Love
Bye,
you
ma'am.
all. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye. Nice day. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. My bubblies. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Then you can go through the textbook pictures. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye. Take
Bye.
care.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, dear ones. Bye.
Bye.